Just to let you know that the stores are doing the resets. I went to I went to Walmart. I didn't see any resets, and but I went to HEB. They did their reset, and it's basically everything that you know um, Ulta had. So really nothing like new, except for the spring collection, the blossom collection. Not the blossom, the blooming. They said it has cherry blossom extract in it. So yeah, so because it is limited edition, I think next I'm gonna take a break from the Powerpuff Girl collection, and I think I'm gonna do Blossom for next week. Um, because they did say that Five Below already put them out, probably cleaned out all the Five Belows, unless your Five Belows put them up late. But they said that CVS and Walmart will have it very soon, so at least you'll still have a chance of getting it. So yeah, that's all I've really you know see that's new for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna touch up my hair. I'm gonna see if I could get this red out. I really don't like how this splotch of red is right there. I'm gonna try to get the gold out, the red out, and just do touch up type of stuff. And then for my birthday, I'm gonna what I want to do is half teal and half it says neon peach, I think, or neon. I think it's called neon peach. Anyway, that's what I'd like to do for my birthday. I was in the hospital um, Friday. I don't know. I had to drive my kids. I think it was, I don't know if it was Monday and Tuesday or Tuesday and Wednesday. I had to drive to very far places. And since I have gained weight, I do have a little, well, because I have arthritis, I have a little bit of trouble when I'm, pressing the gas and then pressing the brakes. It really hurts more when I'm pressing the brakes, but I kept feeling this pull in my hip, in I guess it's the groin area, the inner hip. Horrible, like a pull. And when I went to the bathroom, same thing. I kept feeling a pull, like when I sit down. These toilets are so small now. They made them small to save water, and for big people and handicapped people, that doesn't work. Um, so trying to get up was horrendous pain. Thursday night after I did my video, that's why I didn't put up my video on Friday. I put up on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. Horrible pain, and they said they were gonna take an X-ray, and they didn't. Where I like to go, because I do not like Memorial Hermann, like Three Strikes You're Out with them. The stupid stuff they've done to me and my daughter. I've always liked the Pearland Medical better. I don't trust Methodist either, because they're always dropping the ball. And they changed everything. You can't have anybody with you anymore, and they don't even have people there. They're just in and out, in and out. And my daughter was upset. She wanted me to go somewhere else, but I was in a lot of pain, and my husband had to come and pick her up because she was alone. They wouldn't let her in with me. That's the new policy. Um, it just really, it's like I needed help, and they said, we'll help, but they're in and out. You got to try and get their attention. They gave me a pain shot. They gave me muscle relaxant and painkillers. They said they were going to do an x-ray, but they didn't. And, my husband was furious that when he came to pick up my daughter, he said, can I just peek my head and say hello? I was right by the door. And they wouldn't even let him do that. So they were both furious. And when the hospital called me the next day to see how I was doing, I told them, look, you've always been my favorite hospital, but with a policy like that you can't have someone with you, because my daughter, I was uncomfortable. You have to try and grab someone when they're in or out. I have to tell them to move you to a different chair. My phone, my car jack for the phone charger isn't working anymore. So, I couldn't even have someone help me plug in my phone. My husband was furious. So it's like she's sitting right by the door in a chair. All I want to do is peek my head and say hello. No, he wasn't allowed to do that. But finally, as he was about to leave, the nurse came in and said, "Oh, they're not going to do the X-ray because she said she feels better." Um, but I think they should. I'm pretty sure it's my arthritis. They said it was a strained muscle. Going to the bathroom with the little toilets that they have. This place is definitely not handicap friendly. I knew this from the moment I moved in. Small doors, a very small space where the toilet is. Um, that was a pretty bad. So I was on painkillers and muscle relaxants for the weekend, and then I started feeling better. For the whole weekend, I had to have someone help me off the toilet. It was excruciating. I couldn't get up on my own. I just tried to relax in my recliner. Um, for most of the weekend, so I'm not on my leg, and then I started feeling better on Monday, so I didn't take anything during the day. I only took it to help me sleep. Had to take my daughter to the hospital on Tuesday for a splint because her thumb got caught in the car door and the door's locked on her. And she didn't want me to take her to the emergency room because this happened on Mother's Day in May. And over the holidays when we were doing all this cleaning and, trying to get the house ready for the holidays and my brother coming over, she was complaining that it was really hurting her. And so she had to get fitted for a splint on Tuesday. Oh my goodness. Where they told me to go was the back of the hospital. There was no parking near the entrance. There was only parking near the emergency room. Thank goodness there was one more handicap parking left. But because I was feeling bad, I said, okay, I think I'm good. And my daughter can't push me because her hand was in a lot of pain. So we had to walk through the emergency room, go to the other side, go all the way to the back, then take the elevator, and then go all the way around the corner and I'm with this strained muscle. So I had to take the pain. But I tried to just take it at night, just so I could sleep. But yesterday I had to take it during the day. It was, But today I'm okay. It is healing, thank God. But, man, growing old sucks. Oh, my goodness. Anyway, that's what's been happening with me this week. And, life still goes on. I still have to take my kids back and forth to appointments and stuff since my son got the new medication. Is really not helping. And he's afraid to drive. He's afraid he's going to vomit all over the place because of the stress of driving. So until we can figure out what to do for him, because it's not working. They say he just needs to alleviate stress. That's not an easy thing to do. So anyway, gotta do what you gotta do. So anyway, that's what's been going on with me. And next week I'll see you with the WnW limited edition blooming collection. All right, people, take care. Mwah. Bye.